Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, it is a bright night with a nearly full harvest moon. Actually, it's officially full on Saturday, but looking good. Skies are clear. Good visibility in Newport. I do expect the fog to reform once again overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning. And like this morning, it should burn off rapidly. Already outlying areas dropping into the upper 50s, still 61 in Providence, as well as Bristol, Jamestown at 63, New Bedford now 59, and clear skies. Taking a look at the brand new drought update, and we've made a significant dent in some areas after the rain, both Labor Day Monday and Tuesday, especially right in here across our northern suburbs in Providence County. This area at one time was in the extreme category. It's all the way brought back to moderate. Unfortunately, the further south you go, especially South Shore from Westerly to Newport to New Bedford, still in that red zone, which is extreme. So some locations not as fortunate as far as beneficial rain, but certainly making some progress in some areas. Fog overnight, warming trend next several days, close to 80. Friday afternoon and into the 80s over the weekend. There's a hurricane in the Atlantic, Earl. We'll get a close-up look at it. Here's the East Coast and New England. Danielle, North Atlantic fizzling out. This little area of thunderstorms, the Hurricane Center watching for possible development, but this is Earl, and here's the New England coastline. Category 2 storm near Bermuda with winds of 100 miles per hour. Fortunately, the track is north-northeast. It's going to go back out into the open Atlantic and the North Atlantic, passing a good almost 800 miles south and east of New England. But even a storm that far offshore can sometimes throw back some swells. So while the big waves remain obviously offshore, some of these swells can sometimes make it to the coastline. So I have to watch for the possibility of rip currents and some increasing surf over the next couple of days, especially tomorrow afternoon. Nothing officially has been issued yet, but we'll keep an eye on the situation. Keep in mind, with a nice beach day tomorrow and no lifeguards, you want to be careful. Skies are clear all across the Northeast and New England. So with a picture like this, you can only forecast one thing for tomorrow, and that's sunshine. It's looking good. Now, notice during the overnight, this little shield of gray into early tomorrow morning, a little bit of fog around 7 a.m. Burns off, gone, sunshine takes over, a beautiful afternoon. 2 o'clock, it's in the upper 70s to near 80. 6 o'clock in the evening, real nice. And then your Friday evening, Friday night, clear, moonlit skies again, cool and comfortable with temperatures in the 60s. Visibility forecast, you can see the fog forming around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Then watch how rapidly it burns off by mid-morning. So it won't last very long, much like what we had earlier this morning. So increasing sunshine by mid to late morning, 11 a.m. we're up to 70, and then during the afternoon hours, upper 70s to around 80. Bay forecast, visibility is limited until about 9 o'clock in the morning. Once we get beyond, say, 9, 10 o'clock, the visibility improving on a northeast breeze at 10 to 15. Same argument with the beaches. Early morning fog, then lots of sunshine. But be mindful of a moderate risk of rip currents. Weekend looks good, feeling like summer. I'm tossing in a few extra clouds on Sunday, Saturday being the brighter day. That's not to say Sunday is bad. We'll call Sunday partly cloudy, but warm both days with highs at around 84 degrees. So a little hint of summer this weekend.
Beach day Saturday.
Yeah, not bad.
And even Sunday.
Yeah.
All right, Tony, thanks. All right, you got to check this out. New time-lapse video tonight showing hurricane hunters flying over Hurricane Earl, ending up in the eye of the storm.
According to the National Hurricane Center, the storm is headed toward Bermuda, but is also forecast to cause possible swells and rip currents to the East Coast.